Manufacturing processes. Discover the transformative power of online learning, especially in manufacturing processes education, through Magic Mark's innovative platform. Let's explore more about the subject here. Understanding manufacturing processes with Magic Marks. Enhancing learning through interactive content. Read more. Introduction to manufacturing processes. This course delves into the fundamental principles underlying various manufacturing processes. It provides a comprehensive understanding of essential techniques such as casting, welding, forming, and material removal processes. Additionally, the course covers the basics of testing and inspection mechanisms, offering students a well-rounded knowledge base essential for success in manufacturing industries. Overview of topics covered. Magic Marks provides a comprehensive overview of the manufacturing processes course, which consists of 4 learning modules covering 94 topics of learning. The course offers a total of 4.4 hours of learning, accompanied by 42 assessments to evaluate understanding and progress. Module 1. Casting processes. This module delves into the various casting processes used in manufacturing, exploring different techniques, materials, and applications. Topics covered include types of casting, casting defects, molding materials, and more. Module 2. Material properties. In this module, students learn about the properties of materials used in manufacturing processes. Topics include mechanical properties, thermal properties, electrical properties, and material selection criteria. Module 3. Testing and inspection. This module focuses on the testing and inspection methods employed in manufacturing to ensure product quality and reliability. Topics include non-destructive testing techniques, quality control procedures, and inspection standards. Module 4. Welding Processes. In this module, students learn about the properties of materials used in manufacturing processes. Topics include mechanical properties, thermal properties, electrical properties, and material selection criteria. Sign up on our website or download our app from the Play Store for more information.